So what I'm doing today is, as I told you, I am in Perth. I am at my daughter's and I'm doing the nursery wall. So this is what I'm doing today. I'm going to show you, so you won't see my face for a bit. I'm pretty pleased with it so far. I just wanted to do because the wall is super busy, it's like this, I don't know what it is, ombre, washy, watercolor kind of look. And I wanted to paint whatever else I'm doing on top of that as kind of like a watercolor thing. So over there, I have the seagrass. I have little fish that are going to be there. Up there, I don't know if you can see the little chalk that I've marked out. I'm going to do some manta rays. It's going to be a turtle. It's going to be nice and relaxed. But over on this wall, I'm going to continue the ocean theme. My sons are coming in to do some stuff too, which will be really super great, and I'm going to love it. It's like a community wall. And on top of the ocean waves, my daughter would love to have paper boats. So today's job, as much as I want to do this right now, today's job is this white wall. So to painting land we go. It's the starting that I hate the most. Once I start, I'm fine. I just need to start, and it's so frustrating. Once I start, I'll be doing this for hours and I won't stop. But the start is so hard. I can do it. I'm gonna do it. It's happening. Here I go. First bit of paint in my hair. Paint on there. Can't remember what I did last time. This is gonna be great. It's going to be darker than this one here. So I don't want the wall drying out much. So this is why I have the spray bottle, because I want to make it very watercolory and light. And I kind of want those brush strokes in there, but obviously not too many. So I'm kind of feathering it over the top as well. And water as I need to, especially in this humidity, because it's very, very hot today. Really, you're just playing and seeing how it works, and you just have to try as you go and see how it comes out. So I'm putting white on the top. That's where the light will hit. But it's also to give it a sense of depth and interest. You don't want the wall looking the same all the way along. And I also want it to get lighter as it goes up. Whoops. Okay, that didn't work out how I wanted it to. Which is good that I did that, so you can see if you backtrack, you're going to have to go and do that again. Because that bit is already dry. That's how warm it is in there. There we go. We had to fix it, but it's okay. You can fix mistakes or make mistakes part of it. As long as they're not terrible mistakes. This is a bit annoying, but it's not unfixable. Okay, so it doesn't look look that amazing right now. But we've got to remember that there's going to be things on it. This is just the background. If you were going to do a true ombre kind of wall, I'm just going to wet this because it is very humid today. Just watch out for the drifts. They will take you, man. You wouldn't want to do it on a day like today because you really need it to be wet the whole time so you can get a really good blend. But this whole idea isn't about perfectionism. This is about us making a piece of art on the wall. So I kind of want these lines, the little brush strokes, the little weird colours that you get in the background. I am not a professional mural painter or house painter, and this is just a piece of art that I like. That's going to be wonderful. So it's actually got a bit darker than I wanted to have. As you go along, you can kind of feather it down and you can make lines in there. You can make different brush strokes. I don't know why I just felt like Bob Ross. That's wonderful. The hard thing is blending it with what you've already done on the bottom, especially in this dumb human heat. We have the day we have, and we make the most of it. That's life, huh? We have challenges, we work through them, we do our best, and we see what amazing things come out of it. Even if you're having a bad day, even if things go wrong that you weren't expecting, you just go, okay, it's not working out as great as I wanted it to. Let's see what we can make from it. Let's see what incredible things we have in our useful box that we can take out. Remember that we have to stand back all the time and have a look. Okay. Oh. Things look different from afar. In a little while, it's going to be something completely different. Okay, I'm going to keep going. Show you in a bit. Right, this is my day's work. Crazy mess everywhere. Look at that. It's beautiful. I can sell that for like $460,000. No, I can't. This is what I've done. So that's just the background. You have to visualize there's going to be lots of things on there. That's also background. There's going to be stars, and you can see the paper boats. I've just started to sketch out so there's an idea. Down here I'm doing some seagrass, so that it kind of ties in with this. This one's nice and light. I do wish that I'd done this nice and light, but it's okay. It's going to be completely different than what you see now. Yes, love it. I do feel that's the trick to most things. That you just have to let them be whatever they're going to be. I mean, you can have ideas in your head of how it's going to work out. How do you know until you try? And I'd love to say that I'm super qualified at something, but also, do I want to be? It kind of allows things to just unfold. Where are they going to go? I don't know. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. It's just following the flow. Am I 100% positive that I'm going to make this look incredible? No. Am I 100% happy with how it is? No. But if I buy into my perfectionist streak that likes to tell me everything that isn't as great as I wanted it to be, then I actually won't be enjoying this one moment here. Sitting on the floor in my daughter and her husband's home, painting the wall for their first son, my first grandson. Pretty excited. Love doing seagrass. Just the way it floats in the sea. Hello, happy dog. You're so cute. just about finished the seagrass. And then, thank you so much, Macy. And then tomorrow, I do some more of the wall and then I'll show you then. I'll see you tomorrow for day 4. Exciting! Okay, bye!